us start the class. Today we are going to revise some of the questions from the chapter numbers. Okay, from the chapter numbers I have taken some extra questions. We will discuss about that and we will practice. Okay, in this chapter you have got various types of topics like a place value chart, counting numbers, okay, abacus, comparing numbers, forming numbers, ascending and descending order. Okay, so from all these topics I have taken some of the questions and we will discuss about it. Okay, so let us go to the first question. What is the first question? How many numbers are there between 21 and 29? Okay, so we have to write all the numbers that is between 21 and 29. Okay children, so what comes after 21? 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 and 28. Okay, so these are the numbers which are between 21 and 29. Okay, so 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. No need to write 21 and 29 in the answer. We just have to write all the numbers that is between 21 and 29. Okay. The next question is, which is greater, 50 or 5? Okay. So this is a 2-digit number and this is a single digit. That is a 1-digit number. Now we have to compare which is bigger. So we know that the 2-digit number is always bigger than a 1-digit number. So which is bigger, greater? 50. The number 50 is bigger than 5. Okay. The next question is also about comparing numbers. Okay. So which of the numbers 67 or 76 is smaller? Here we have to compare which was greater. Here we have to compare which is smaller. Okay. So like this type of question, see 67 and 76, same number, isn't it? 6 and 7. So it might look little confused. So what we can do? We can make the place value chart also and we can compare. Okay, so this is the place value chart for 2-digit number. Ones, tens. What is the first number? 67. 67. What is the next number? 76. Okay. So when we are comparing number, we always start from the tens place. Okay. So in the tens place, what are the numbers given here? 6 and 7. Okay. So which is smaller? Number 6 is smaller than 7. So we can compare in the tens place when the numbers are different. If the same number was given, then we will go from tens place to the ones place. But in this case, we don't need to go to the ones place because we can compare in the tens place. Okay. So 67 is smaller than 76. Okay. So you can give the sign or you can write also that 50 is greater than 5, or here you can write 67 is smaller than 76. Okay children, so you can write in this way also or you can give the signs. Let us go to the next question. The next question is, in ascending order, numbers are arranged from dash to dash. Okay, so in ascending order, numbers are arranged from small number to the bigger number, isn't it? So you can write are arranged from smallest to the largest. Okay, the next question is, in descending order, numbers are arranged from largest to smallest. Okay, largest to smallest. Alright, now I can give an example here. Okay, I will take one example here for a 1-digit number only. Alright, so 2, 4, 6, 8. Alright, I am taking an example. Now I have arranged the number from smallest to the largest. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. But in descending order, we arrange the number from largest number to the smallest number. The same numbers I can arrange it. Okay. So what will become? 8, 6, 4 and 2. I have arranged the number from bigger to smaller. Okay. So children, no need to write this example. This is a fill in the blanks. I am just giving an example. Okay. How it is arranged. In a set of number is given. So in ascending order, we compare the numbers and we arrange from smaller to bigger. And the exact opposite is what we do in the descending order. That is, we arrange the number from bigger to smaller. It might be a 1-digit number or 2-digit number, or it might be a combination of both 1-digit and 2-digit number. Okay. The next question is, which is the smallest and the biggest number among 9, 19 and 29? Okay. 3 numbers are given here. First is a 1-digit number, second is a 2-digit number, and the third is also a 2-digit number. Now from these 3 numbers, we have to find out which is the smallest and which is the biggest number. Okay. So the smallest number equals to, which is the smallest out of this? The smallest will be the 1-digit number, that is 9. Okay. And the biggest number, now we have 2-digit numbers, isn't it? 19 and 99. So again we can compare making the place value chart 19 and 29. Okay. So here we have to find out the biggest number. So what we can do? We can make the place value chart to compare the numbers. Okay. Tens and 1, 19 and 29. Alright. Now how will we compare? In the tens place, we have got 1 and 2. So which is bigger? The 2 is bigger, isn't it? Since we can compare in the tens place, we no need to go to the ones place. So in the tens place, we have got 1 and 2. So 2 is bigger than 1. That means 29 is bigger than 19 as well as 9. Okay. So out of these 3, 29 is the biggest number and 9 is the smallest number. Okay children. So these are the questions for today. Okay. For ascending and descending order, numbers are arranged from smallest to biggest ascending, and descending is from biggest to smallest. To compare the numbers, we can make a place value chart like ones and tens. Okay. We can take the ones and tens and we can find out the answer. We can compare in the tens place. Then the one question we have done is about finding out the greater number and the smaller number. Okay. So a greater and smaller number also we can do by comparing, by taking the place value chart. Okay. And the one question we have taken is, what are the numbers between 21 and 29? Alright. Also this question is about writing the numbers between. So it's also about the position of the number. 21 and 29 is given. We have to write a number that is between 21 and 29. So between is another special word which defines the position of numbers. Okay children. So these are the questions that we have discussed. I will be sending out all this question in the PDF file in the Google Classroom. You can check it out and you can write in your maths copy. Okay. So with this I conclude my class. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.